Hey guys, how's it going? How to add social networks to Roblox profile. So first of all, go to the Roblox website and log into your account. Click on the gear icon at the top right. Click the settings. In the settings menu, go to the account info tab, which we are already basically there, and then scroll down to the social network section. You can enter URLs for platforms like Twitter, YouTube, etc., and save changes and make sure that you save your changes. Your social network links will now be visible on your Roblox profile. We are already there. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.